Hi, it's the first day here at the Acrylics 2026 Expo, and we are here with Mr. Shailesh Nigam, who is the COO for AAF India, and we would like to hear his insights about the recent trends and developments in the industry. Hi, sir. Good
Hi,
to have you.
thank you.
So, to what extent does IAQ influence the efficiency of thermal control systems in sensitive industries?
Okay. When we talk about thermal control systems in indoor spaces, it mainly concerns about the temperature and humidity. So basically, the human comfort. IAQ is indoor air quality. So we talk about the cleanliness in air. Now, these two are different aspects, but they depend on each other. If the air is not clean, usually in any air conditioning system, especially in large premises, large buildings, there will be minimum two stages of filtration. If these uh, filters are not managed well, if air quality is not good, then what will happen? The load will come on your downstream equipment like fans, so power consumption of fans will increase. The practice in India is that people wash the filters, which should not be done. When they wash the filters, the integrity of the product goes away, the efficiency of the product comes down, and the dust, which should stop at filter level, goes to the most important and expensive part of the cooling system, the coil. The coil attracts all this dust, and this dust accumulates over the coil, reducing the efficiency of the coil. So if we are not managing air properly, if we are not having a better IAQ, then your thermal efficiency, your electrical efficiency, overall your system is compromised. So with little investment on air side, we get better thermal efficiency as well as your overall system efficiency.
Right. AAF's EFRM membrane HEPA technology is known for its significantly lower pressure drop. In practical terms, like how much energy savings can be done?
Okay. So when we say HEPA filter, this is normally the third stage of filtration. So first two stages need to be well maintained, and third stage, conventionally the industry uses the fiberglass. Daikin and AF came up with this new technology or new product using membrane technology, which is durability wise also it is much better. The damages in handling transportation does not happen. Moreover, the efficiency what we can expect is around 25 to 30%. So if we use these filters, not only it adds to better efficiency of the overall system, but it is much more durable. The longevity of the filter is also higher because the initial pressure drop is also lower because of this material. So overall, uh, durability, longevity, plus energy efficiency, this all three puts together gives a much better benefit to the producer.
So, what policy measures could accelerate the adoption of improved air quality in India?
Uh, I would talk about the challenges what we face as a filtration industry. The filters are usually not visible. It goes inside the system. It's not a complete product unless we see the air purifier, and they don't do the job in totality. We have to have customized solutions for that. And the product which comes out of filter is air. Now, air, we are sitting in this environment. Air looks to be clean, but it may not be unless we really analyze the air quality. So the major challenge for our industry is that people are not aware what they are breathing. Okay. Government of India has done a very good job. 2 years ago, they have adopted ISO standards. Now, what is expected on policy level? The regulators, the users have to mandate those standards so that we can ensure the air quality for the people, for the occupants of the building, for the processes, because there are uh, many processes where you need certain quality of air in a controlled atmosphere. Air also should be maintained. Once we ensure these, as mandatory requirements, then only we'll be able to have overall benefit for the occupants, for the processes, for the product integrity. So, from government side, from the regulator side, it is very important that they come up with the policy implementation as mandatory regulations.
And how do you think AI powered technologies can influence like air filtering?
AI, uh, artificial intelligence is almost touching every aspect of industry, be it healthcare or manufacturing. Now, how much it will influence the filtration? There is a long way to go. Today, if we look at filter management or air quality management, we have come from conventional analog controls to digital control, but still it is a data logging. It all depends on the user or the operator or the maintenance supervisor, how he enforces this data. Now, this data is very important to look at the quality of the filter, whether it has reached to its life, it should be replaced or it can be further used. If the operator is not intelligent enough or if he is not able to decide, then we may lead to a situation where the filter is dust laden and it is blocking the air and still being used, making the fans to run at very high power. Or if the operator is washing these filters, then we are choking the coils, as I said in the previous question. So AI, based on the usage of the area, of the application, of the industry, can decide when the filters have to be cleaned or replaced, and we can, from reactive maintenance, we can do predictive maintenance, which will help a lot maintaining a efficient system. Energy efficiency, thermal efficiency can be ensured with this kind of artificial intelligence. But yes, the way forward is we should look at implementing artificial intelligence.
Industries today are increasingly focusing on sustainability and ESG goals. How do you think the filtration industry is supporting all these objectives?
Okay, these are the topics, ESG, sustainability. These are more discussed in boardrooms. Boardrooms are more concerned about the profitability, top line, bottom line. The least discussed topics are the employee health, occupational health. But the way I have been telling, inequality impacts the health of the people. If we maintain, controlled atmosphere in the office spaces also, or in any factory or other workspaces, the health of the occupants will be much better, which will lead to the improvement of bottom line because people will be more healthy and will work with higher efficiency. So our ESG goals, we have an environment to be taken care, we have to be socially responsible, and then we have to have governance in place to ensure that regulations have to be in place to ensure that we maintain those qualities to have our goals achieved of sustainability.
Uh, it was really great, Mr. Shailesh, to hear about your insights and whatever you said, it's really required. And I hope it grows up to its name and expand more and more. And we're excited to, get to know what you have in store for the Indian market now. Thank you so much.
Definitely, thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.